Well, I kind of repaired this headlight here. It was broke like that. I cut it off with a angle grinder. Cut it off. Got me some plexiglass from Lowe's. Probably about, I don't think it was quite as thick as this. Probably an eighth inch or so. Cut it all out and got the lens off here, as you can see. And I just ran a bead of 100% silicone around it and stuck it on there and taped it on there, and what you see there is some glue from the tape that's here, and then I kind of painted around the edges there where you see the silicone through the glass. I just kind of painted it black. And that headlight, cheapest I could find, that was broken, you know, had tabs broken and everything on it, was $300, and they went up to, like, I don't know, $750 or something like that. Crazy price. But it looked like most of them were around $500. It was in good condition. So I needed two of them. Both the headlights were broke up at this car salvage. So you know, I would have had to pay at least minimum $600 plus shipping. You know, so $600. And plexiglass was $10, and I didn't use it all. And then I used a little bit of silicone, which is I don't know, a whole tube of silicone, $6. So, I don't know, maybe $20 I got in it all. So saved myself quite a bit of money, huh? So, granted it ain't perfect, but you know, it's a salvage car. Needs a lot of, don't need a whole lot of work. It runs good. But as you can see, the bumper cover's broke. I had to patch that. Things like that. Got dents on the hood. And door and fender bent. Going to replace the I might replace the windshield. I found a used one for $75. So it's a 2018 Malibu. So anyway, 15,000 miles. Anyway, so if you need to fix a headlight on the cheap, you know, maybe this might give you an idea. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.